Matikela, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Gininda Baloyi and the Mjiyako issue quickly. But before we do that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment. And most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you'll be supporting this channel financially and in numbers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Now, let's talk about the situation here, guys. So let's get this thing straight, like just straight and just very straightforward about it, okay? There are no official records, no occurrence book entries, no visitor register, no visitor registers, no SEPS movement logs to confirm or that are confirming Advocate Mjiyako's alleged visit on the 23rd June 2020. Nix. There's absolutely nothing. Absolutely nix, Gesana. Yet we are expected to simply accept the word of Brigadier Bongani Gininza and Advocate Baloyi as sufficient proof. Ha ha ha! Isn't that funny? At that time, the place that we are expected to take their word for this thing is a courtroom. And the courtroom, it's not a place of vibes. It's not a place of good moods. It's not a place of we accept it because the brigadier, Police El Kulu said so. It's not that place. No. Ubaloyi knows this. Judge Rata knows this. Ugininda Madolo knows this because ekoti sithetha ngeproof. Give me something that you can prove. If you can't prove it, do you understand that they expect us as South Africans to accept ukuthi yeah, Mjiyako was there. Undazuthi there was no Mjiyako, bona they said there was a Mjiyako. Hey. I'm telling you, this is exactly why so many South Africans are questioning the state's version, guys. Here's the problem. Danzi maintains his phones were confiscated after his arrest on the 16th of June, which makes sense. That is how things are supposed to be. It makes sense what Danzi is saying. There is no paper trail confirming a legal consultation visit. No independent documentation supports the state's claim. Yet the court and the public are told to just believe it happened. If this consultation truly took place, it should be easy to prove. Police facilities do not operate on trust, they operate on records. Where are the records? Without documentation, they claim that Advocate Mjiyako consulted Ntanzi on that date doesn't just look weak, it looks manufactured. That's what it is. And in a case as serious and sensitive as the murder of Senzo Meyiwa, South African football star, a soccer icon, the state cannot expect credibility on verbal assurances alone. They can't. This isn't skepticism for entertainment, guys. No, it's not. It's a demand for basic accountability. That's what it is. Senzo Meyiwa trial, it can't be turned into a joke. It can't be turned into a courtroom of contradictions. Justice must be proven and it must be seen to be done. That's what it's expected from them. So these people now, so these people expect us, South Africans. Let's pause. Let's breathe. There's no way. Let's talk about what we are seriously being asked to believe here. Mjiyako bekhona. My lord, Mjiyako was there. Are you for real? Boys, are you for real right now? Hello, boys, are you for real right now? Hayibo. Hayi nina nistrayela kabi, serious. No, man, nistrayela kabi. Where is the SEPS movement log? Where is the occurrence book entry? Where is the register? Where is the visitors register? There's nothing they can provide us. How dare we just simply take the word of Bongani Gininder, guys? No Baloyi. That's it? Trust us. Is that what you guys are telling us? That's it. Trust us. Trust us. That's what they say. It happened, they say. Hey! Oh! Hi, son. Hi, guys. Someone please make it make sense. Let me ask you something very simple. Since when now do police stations operate on vibes and verbal assurances? Since when? Because clearly this is for vibes. Someone please make it make sense. Since when do legal consultations inside SEPS facilities happen without a single piece of paperwork? When? When did that happen? Which police station? But that was a police station, guys, where they say Ntanzi and Gininda, sorry, Ntanzi and Giacomet. It's not a spaza shop. It's not a backyard meeting. This was a legal meeting. It was a legal meeting. Sorry, for a high-profile murder case involving the killing of Senzo Meyiwa. This is Senzo Meyiwa, for crying out loud. You wanna tell me you took a meeting as if it was in some backyard? Come on, Mjiago. No. No, 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 no. Every movement should be logged. Every visit should be recorded. Every consultation should be documented. But here, nothing. And Untanzi has been in one position, consistent. I was arrested. My phones were taken. I was in police custody. My phones were taken. Yet somehow, magically, consultation happened. Messages were sent. Communication flowed. From where? From whose hands? From whose custody? And instead of evidence, we are offered something else. Believe Gininda. Believe Baloyi. Don't ask for documents. Leave us alone. We are telling you, trust us. South Africans, this is not how things in justice works. In the justice system, that's not how justice works, guys. This is how stories work. This is a story, not justice. If that consultation truly happened, it should be the easiest thing in the world to prove. If it happened, produce the register, produce the entry, produce the log. Until then, when the state is asking us to accept, it is to accept is not proof, it is faith. What the state is asking us to accept, it's not proof, guys. They are forcing us to accept faith. We must believe in them. They are the Holy Trinity. We must believe in them. It's a matter of I can't see you, but I have faith in you, God. Hayibo, saze sadeleleka siwumphakathi. And the courts do not run on faith, guys. They run on facts. We want facts because in a case this serious, credibility is not claimed. It is demonstrated. Where is the bloody demonstration? And right now, the paperwork is missing. We expect. I can't with about Gininda for sec. I can't. What are your thoughts when it comes to all of this, guys? Me, Hashem, I'm done. So done. So done. I'm so over them. Let's talk with comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.